Hello and welcome to Simple Windows Tutorials. Today we're going to go over how to create a new instance of your desktop or a new desktop in general. So there are many benefits and different aspects of why you should use this really cool, powerful tool that Windows offers for its users. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you how to how to create a new instance or new desktop for your current desktop. So right now I have about like 3-4 applications open. I have the File Explorer open, I have Google Chrome open, I have PowerPoint open, and a calculator open, and the calculator app open. So what we can do is we can go ahead and click on this task view button or option on the taskbar of your Windows machine. So go ahead and left click on that. And then you can see that it pops up all of the applications or programs you have currently running on this desktop. So if I go ahead and create a new desktop, you can see that in this desktop number 2, which is different than what we were working on, desktop number 1, there are no applications open. So since it's highlighted, let's go ahead and left click on it to jump there. And you can see none of those applications are open that were opened earlier. But does that mean that they're closed? Not really. We can just go ahead and click on this task view button, go back to desktop 1, and you can see that this application is open, and of course along with the other applications. So let's exit out of that, go back to task view, go to our second desktop that we just created, and you can see here that this kind of has a different, I would say, a different organization benefit to it. So what you can use this for is to have more of a grouping sense of different applications for each desktop. So what that means is that if you want to open just, let's say, Word documents on your first desktop and open just PowerPoints on your second desktop, you can do that. And what the benefit to that is that it keeps all of your Windows preference settings, everything, even the application settings itself. So what that means is if I go ahead and open Google Chrome, you can see I'm still signed in, everything is the same, all the settings are the same. It's just a new instance of my current desktop or the general desktop that I'd opened. And you can also tell that by my background screen. It's the same as the other desktop that we had currently open, or that is currently open. So like this, you can have multiple desktops open and switch through them, and you can have different applications opened on one and different applications open on the other, or a mixed match of two. So you can still have the calculator open here and perform different functions here, and then vice versa and all that. So that's the main benefits of using multiple desktops. It helps to keep your workflow organized, and it also eliminates having multiple or way too many applications open for your current desktop. So let's say I have like all this applications opened here, and I wanted to, go to a new desktop where everything is just clean, everything is I would say empty, where there are no applications running. You can do that. So let's go ahead and click task view, exit out of here, and go back. So yeah, those are the main benefits. To get to the task view, or to get to or create a new desktop, you just click on that task view button I showed you there on the taskbar. But there is another way to get to that, and that's basically clicking, or is a keyboard shortcut. So you'll be pressing the Windows key and the Tab key on your keyboard. So go ahead and press both of those buttons together, or both of those keys together, and it brings you to the same view as task view does. So let's go ahead and click desktop 2, or actually let's exit out of it, go back to desktop 1, and you can see that it will also transfer those applications over once you have exited out of that other desktop. Let's go ahead and click Windows key and Tab key together, and it brings you to this view where you can create as many desktops as you want. And there we have it, folks. That's how you create a new instance of your desktop, and there are multiple benefits and different aspects as to why you should use it. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching.